Should I? Are you able to see my screen, sir? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Properties of series has never seen nothing so. Necessary condition also checked. See. Now we see. Consider the series 1 by 3, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, n by 2, n plus 1. So here un is equal to what? N by 2, n plus 1. Then n tends to infinity, but I want to get some limit. If not equal to 0 means you can say given series is divergence. Why? Yes, n tends to infinity, un is equal to 0 means is divergence, if not means sorry, 0 means is convergence, not equal to 0 means divergence. So what you will get? Already you familiar, if n tends to means what you can take n common, here n you can take common, so 1 by 2 you will get n will cancel. So its total into 1 by 2 is divergent. Above condition is only is a necessary condition, not sufficient condition. If not equal to 0 means you cannot say. These are the important actually for series. Now these 5 tests are very, very important. Comparison test, D'Alembert ratio test, Rabi's test, Cauchy's root test, and Leibniz test for alternative series. Alternative series I will explain actually. This is test for convergence for series of positive terms only. No, there is no negative terms. So this is the comparison test, D'Alembert ratio. This is important. This already you know. 1 plus x whole power n already you know formula. 1 plus nx plus n in 10 minus 1 wholes up to it will go infinity where n is very small in number. 1 minus x whole power minus 1 what you will get? Plus into minus means what alternative plus minus you will get. 1 minus x plus x square minus 2. So minus into minus means plus means all are plus you will get. These results, some results you can remember. It's already binomial expansion, already infinite series you will already studied. Mod like less than 1 means what? 1 plus x whole power p by q means what we will do? 1 plus p by q, p by q, p by q minus 1, 2 factor up to infinity also it will go. Then limit n tends to infinity means what? Limits you can do separately. Un separately limit apply vn. Plus minus means minus. C means what? C you can take outside. Multiplication also separately. These all are the limit properties. This is also you studied in school level. Division also you can do separate limits un by vn. These properties are, this already you studied with some result. Limit n tends to 1 by n plus whole power equal to e. Then 1 by 2 by n means what? E square. N plus 1 also e. Down also power n, this denominator is n plus 1. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b, you know. Log of m power n is n log m, you know. Log m n is log m plus log mn. Limit n tends to be k by n is equal to 0. K is a constant. Because anything by 1 by infinity is equal to 0, you know. N square also 0. Similarly, can remember log of 1 plus x. N factorial, n plus 1 factorial, all you can remember. Log infinity is equal to 0. Log 1 is equal to 0. Log e is equal to 1. When is log e is equal to 1? Base only e. Base e. Otherwise, this is also base, and this means always you can say 1. Normally in mathematics we use for practical purpose we use which logarithm? Base 10. That is called logarithm name is what? What is name? Base 10 means what is name? Base 10 means what? Huh? Base 10 is what? Natural logarithm. Base e means what is the logarithm?
Natural logarithm.
Natural.
Base 10 means?
Common.
Very good. It's a common logarithm. Actually, in differentiation, integration, everywhere mathematics you will use natural logarithm only. Not only that, if you are not mentioning the base means what you can take it for granted as a base as a e. No need to write log, ln, all are understanding. If you mention other than base e means you should mention base. Correct? Huh? So you can remember all these things. First comparison test, how they will tell. Suppose we have a two series with the positive terms u1 u2 u3 u4 so un, all u's are v, then vn is then if the terms of series 1 do not exceed the corresponding terms of the series 2, same terms if we have actually both terms, let un is less than or equal to vn, and the series converges, then the series 1 also converges. Other words, what vn converges, then un also converges. If un is less than or equal to vn. This is the comparison test. The terms of this, just you can read again, getting or not, just you can check, you understand or not, tell me. You have a two series with the positive terms, u1, u2, u3, un, vn. If the terms of the series 1 do not exceed the corresponding terms of series 2. Correct? Means what? Corresponding means what? U1 and V1 are corresponding terms. U2 and V2 are corresponding terms. U3, V3 corresponding terms. U4, V4. That is, UN is less than or equal to Vn. Then U1 is what? Less than or equal to V1. U2 is what? Less than or equal to V2. U3 is equal to less than or equal to V2. So two series if you are in available. Correct or not? Then series 2 converges means what? Series 1 also converges. Other words, if Vn converges, then Un also converges. If Un is less than or equal to Vn. Corollary is what? Different case. If the series of the term 1 greater than corresponding terms of the series 2, the Un, then it diverges. Series 2 diverges, then series also diverges. Either words, Vn diverges, then Un also diverges. Un greater than or equal to Vn. Correct? The above two conditions are true only series with the positive terms, not negative terms, only positive terms only. Then also they hold when they some of the terms first and second series are 0, but these conditions are do not hold. Before applying the comparison test, convergence of a given series is very important to know behavior of some noun series. This is already, 1 plus x square plus x2 means what? 1 minus x whole power minus 1. This x is less than 1. Is convergent. Is that a rule actually? We have one formula. 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is equal. This is the series. That is already mod x less than only is convergent. The K series, this you can remember. Diverges x is greater than or equal to 1. Just the result you can remember. Then K series 1 power 1 K, 2 power K, 3 power K, known as a K series. The series converges only K is greater than 1. Diverges K is less than or equal to 1. K is equal to 2, 3 is 10. This result you can remember, sir. The following series, 1 half means what less than or equal to 1 means divergence. Okay. Given actually UN and VN are two series are given. Note down 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 cube, 1 by 4 power 4, so on 1 by n power n up to infinity. This is first series. Second series, what compare this series is what noun series 1 plus 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube, 2 to the power of 4, 2 power n. Geometric series 1 x less than equal to x is equal to half. Correct? Here, each terms of series is what 1 is less than to the equal to corresponding term. Correct or not? Series 2. Any doubt? But series 2 is convergent. This x is less than 1. A power x, a power x square like this actually. Now this at least you can tell compare u is equal to 1 plus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3, 1 by 4. Then this is intense to infinity. Vn is equal to what? 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 then up to infinity. Series 2 is a K series for K is equal to 1. Clearly series 2 is divergent. So 1 also divergent. Each term of series 1 is greater than or corresponding to terms of 1. But this condition means what? Obviously it's divergence. I told you. What you told UN is less than or equal to VN means is divergence convergent. That two conditions should see. Clear or not? Any doubt? Sir, getting or not? Hello? Are you there or not? Am I going fast? Note down and write down each and every line actually.
Yes, sir.
It's somewhat vague subject. Always sometimes VN don't give. You have to choose. How to choose means I will tell you. This series is in test the convergence of series 1 by 1 into 2, 2 by 3 into 5, then 3 by 5 into 7, 4 by 7 into 9. So nth term how you will get? I think this is wrong. The term is wrong. n is equal to 1 means 2 minus 1. Then this is 2n minus 1. No, n is equal to 2 means what you will get 4 minus 1. This is also 4 minus 1. 2n plus 1 actually. Un is what? N by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Check is cutting or not. But first term fails, I think so. N is equal to 1 means what?
So I think there is an error for the first time. It should be 1 divided by 1 into 3.
1 into?
3.
I
I
think
think.
wrong actually. Question itself wrong, I think so. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 into 3 means what you will get, correct? Huh? Check.
Yes, sir.
But 2n minus 1, not 2n plus 1, I think so. This is
Yes,
correct.
sir. It is 2n plus 1. After that, the series will be correct.
Okay, then note down. Series you can change 1 into, then only it comes actually. All are even odd only. Because 2 means we cannot write actually. We have to write 2n actually. Correct? Huh? Come on, right? Then 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1. Satisfying or not now? Now we can prepare Vn. How we will prepare? Highest degree can take from numerator. Who is the numerator highest degree? N. Denominator, what is the highest degree of n? N square. You can take outside n square. Then n by n square is equal to what? 1 by n. So you can such a way you can choose Vn. Always you can write. So Un is equal to what? N by n square. That is y1 that you can say is Vn. So what Un is greater than Vn. So Vn is equal to 1 by n you can take. So Vn is equal to what? 1 by n divergence. Obviously Un also diverges. Such a way you can choose, always you can choose Vn. Take Un from highest degree, something you can prepare. The balance term you can prepare a Vn. Then Un by Vn if you write. Vn by Vn if you write. 1 less than means okay. Greater than means diverges you can say. This you can change, sir. Actually, this mistake, printing mistake, I think so. 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Very good. Yes. Now this problem you can see. You have to choose such a way that Vn you have to compare actually. 1 into 2, 1 by 2 into 2 square, 2 into 2 cube. So Vn I am taking what? With the series 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube, so on. This is a geometric ratio which is 1 by 2 is less than 1. Then if Vn is converges means Un also converges. Geometric series converges is what? Less than 1 means what? It's also diverging, converges. This problem also check like this. Note down one by one problems. Never know. Actually, this is already sequence series already posted in your classroom Veerarajan book. There also is there. That also, if you want, you can read. Then today I posted actually BS Gravel downloaded from net and I downloaded. Some page numbers are given, but maybe which edition they are given. Just you can see that actually coincide actually which part they are given. That also you can check if you want. These notes also I will upload. Don't worry. Important note when comparing two series Vn and Vn, always compare some difficulty choosing auxiliary series Vn. Un is what? Phi 1 by phi 2 n is what? Phi n, phi 2 are polynomials, highest degree of n we can take. That's why it's telling actually. Such a way you may ask why suddenly is taking 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Yeah, from here terms, from this only can choose actually. He is taking 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Sometimes what if both are polynomial means what highest degree, what I said, you can take common, you can take. Phi 1 of 2, phi of n means what? Both are polynomials, highest degree from n. Then that term you can prepare actually. That is a better. Now we see here highest degree is what? 2n plus 3, denominator is what? N cube. If you take common n, if you take means what? N by n cube. N by n cube is equal to what? Hello? N by n cube is equal to what? 1 by n square. What happens, sir? Any problem? Are you getting bored? Hello? Who is making
No,
sound?
sir. No, sir.
Why suddenly sound coming?
Sir, I think the person has mic issues. He
Oh,
wanted to talk.
talk with me, yeah.
Yeah, and I think he had mic issues.
Anish Singh, what you want? Oh, super, super. Call me, yeah. Any urgence? Emergency? Call me, otherwise, no problem. Just say how. No, sir, then okay. Hmm. Very good. I forgot. Somewhere I closed again. Where is my notes? Very bad, yeah. Somewhere, Bapuji, where is notes? Mhm. Shiva. 1 minute, sir. I will be back. Yes. Are you able to see? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if it is a polynomial means what highest degree of numerator you can take outside, denominator you can take. What is the balance that you can prepare as a Vn? That is always best way. Then Un by Vn is equal to less than 1 or greater than 1. I will can able to tell. Now we see here n, denominator is n square. So 1 by n you can take as a Vn. If you do Un by Vn means what nicely will get. Now we can see comparison test for convergence of limit form. Let un is equal to u1, u2, u3 up to n. Vn is equal to have two series positive sums. If Vn is convergent or divergent, un also convergent, divergent. If n tends to infinity, un by finite quantity k. It may be even 0. That's what now we see nicely we do. Un is equal to 2n plus 3n. So Vn now I will choose. Denominator, numerator can take n common. Denominator can take n cube. N by n cube is what? 1 by n square. You can take n by. Now we can divide un by vn. Nicely we'll get the limit actually. Un by vn if you divide means what? Is equal to so and tends to 0 by limit form. It's a convergent series. Getting or not, sir? Any problem? Now this also you can see. Numerator you can take n common, denominator you can take n square. N by n square is equal to what? 1 by n. So you can choose as a vn. Then you can prepare un by vn. If Vn is convergent or divergent, the Un also convergent or divergent. Un by Vn is a finite quantity k. It's maybe even 0. Depend on 1 by Vn, you can decide. Here Vn may be divergence. Un also divergence. If limits comes also, it's not used. We know that 1 by n is divergent series. N by Vn, if you take n square 1 by n, 0 you will get. Now we can see test the convergence of series 6, 8, 10. So first term starting with the 6 means what I am preparing 2n plus 1. N is equal to 1 means what 2 plus 4. This odd terms 1, 3, 5 means what 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3. It's satisfying. So 2 means automatically 8 you will get everything at comma. The Vn now can you prepare n? Here denominator is what n cube. N by n cube is what 1 by n square. So now 1 by n square is what you want, divergence or convergence. Limit you will get finite form, no doubt. 2 by 8 you will get. So Vn is 1 by n square is convergence is depend on Yn only you can say. If K series, K is equal to 2 is less than 1, 1 by n square is convergent. Correct or not? So when it's convergent, K is equal to 2, that is okay. K is equal to 2 only means what 1 square, 2 square, 3 square greater than 1. Greater than 1 means what? 1 by n power p is convergent. So by limit form, Un also convergent. Depend on Vn only you can able to tell. Limits comes also, if limits comes and Vn also you can see, depend on Vn you can decide. This also see n into 1 into 2 means what n into n plus 1, 3, 4, 5. So n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus 4. Numerator what you will get n square, denominator n cube. N square by n cube is what 1 by n. 1 by n is divergence. So obviously this is also divergence. Getting or not? Any problem? Even limit form, if I get limit finite value also I cannot decide because Vn divergence, obviously Vn also divergence I will tell. Comparison the limit test. Sir, okay, yeah. Any problem? Okay or not? Hello? Now next problem you tell. Question I will show you. Oh, very dangerous problem. Come on. Come on, what is Vn? Tell me. N plus 1 by n power p. What is Pn Vn? Denominator you can take n. Numerator, numerator n you can take. Denominator np you can take. N by np is what? N by np is what?
1 divided by n to the power p minus 1.
1. So then how can you conclude? N power p means what? K series means what? n power k means k should be greater than 1. So means what? P minus 1 greater than 1 means what? It is?
P is greater than 2.
So then it's convergence. Otherwise, that cases you can discuss. Limit form you will get obviously because it will cancel. It's a convergent. P minus 1 is what? Greater than 1. Greater than 1 only I can do. So gray is equal to, so P is equal to what? Greater than 2. So it's a carry series. Getting or not? Any doubt? For convergence, otherwise it's divergence. Okay, sir. Any problem?
No, sir.
This is good sum. This how you will do, tell me. This is very, very good sum. Vn I want to prepare. So here root of n power 4 by n square is there. What you will do immediately? Something power I am taking common. If you take also no use here, what you will do? Conjugate n to the power of 4 plus 1 plus by n square multiply and divide. So what you will get? I think. Okay, yeah. Then numerator is which is common? N square and n square. N power 4 is common numerator. Denominator is what? N square. N power 4 by n square is what? N square. Vn is equal to what? N square. Correct? Oh, is cancelling fully. This a square plus b square is writing. Wait, how they is done? Yeah, plus n power 4 minus n power 4 cancel 1 by this. Correct? Now Vn is equal to what? 1 by n square. So obviously Vn is convergent. So Un is convergent. A series. Limit will get, obviously if we get, you will get. Any doubts are now? Clear? N power p plus q will get. P plus q should be is what? Greater than 1 you have to write. P plus q is what? Divergence you have to tell. This also what you will do. 1 by root n you will take. 1 by n 2 power 3 by 2. Again conjugate. You can do up to this. This anyway I will upload, don't worry. This is very nice problems on there. We can stop here. Again conjugate. Punishing, what are you doing actually? Punishing, what are you doing? What do you want to express? Tell me. Where are you now?
I'm here, sir. I'm in front of my laptop.
And something is showing ground, chair and everything.
My
Ah.
camera briefly frozen once again.
What is first number?
71, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73. Anything, I've seen you. Come on. Want to express something? Come on. What you want? Tell me. Come on, come on. Hey, Arya.
The thing, sir. I just want to say that I'm here, sir. Okay.
No. I am searching, sir. I am ping you, sir. You are full screen. Everyone see you. Come on. Carry on. Enjoy. On, sir. On your video. I want to see your face.
Sir, roll number 25 present.
24, I am seeing you. Okay, done. I will put you 10 days absent now.
25, sir. It's 5406.
Sorry, sir. Okay.
26. Sorry, 76 present.
Sir, 74 also present. You didn't take the name.
75.
Present, sir.
Sir, 73 present.
Okay, right. Um, 75 present. 76 present. 77.
Present, sir.
78.
Present, sir.
79. 80.
Present, sir.
73
81.
present, sir. Did you take?
Okay. 81. 82. 83.
83 present, sir.
84. 85.
Present, sir.
86. Not there. 87. Not there. 88.
88 present, sir.
89.
Present, sir.
90.
90 present, sir.
91.
91 present, sir.
92.
Present, sir.
93.
Present, sir.
94.
Present, sir.
95.
Present, sir.
96.
Present, sir.
97. 98.
Present, sir.
99. 100.
Present, sir.
101.
Present, sir.
102.
Present, sir.
100, you don't have the attendance, sir. Actually, you have to maintain minimum 75%. 103.
Present, sir.
104.
Present, sir.
105. 106.
Present, sir.
107.
Present, sir.
108.
Present, sir.
109.
Present, sir.
111.
10 present, sir.
100 present, sir. 112.
110, 110.
112 present, sir.
113. 114.
Present, sir.
115. 116.
Present, sir.
Then 123.
Present, sir.
124.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26. 26, why is not coming? 126. 5401 series 1.
Present,
2. 3.
Sir, 2 present, sir.
Huh?
Sir, 3 also present.
Sir, 2 present.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
Sir, 79 present, sir.
Wait, sir. Okay. 7.
Sir, 6 present, sir. 6. You didn't say.
Okay. 7. Not there. 8.
Present, sir.
9. 9.
Sir, yes, 9. Mic issues.
Okay. 10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16.
Sir, he's present.
17.
Present, sir.
18.
Sir,
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21. 22.
Present, sir.
23. 24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26.
Present, sir. 26 present, sir.
27. 28. 28. Mohit. 29.
29 present, sir.
30. 30. 31. Last number is what?
31, sir. 31 present.
31 present. So options are 81, 82, 84, 97, 99, 105, 113, 115, then 126,
Sir, 126
17,
present, sir.
1.
126.
What are you doing in not giving 1, 7, 21, 23, 28, 30 options?
Sir, 105 present.
1 not?
So,
105.
Now
so
only
1
30.
is present.
So
001 is present.
79%.
Now only you joined, I think so. This 13 people joined now recently. Oh, come on. Who is?
No, sir, I was from the starting.
Okay. Now,
Sir,
who is?
001 already
So
gave his attendance.
79%, sir.
Okay.
I was there from the start.
What is your number? What is your number?
So 001 was present. He gave
Okay.
attendance.
Yeah, given.
Thanks, sir.
81, 82, 84, 97, 99, 113, 115, 7, 21, 23, 28, 30 are options. Okay.
So when are they when college is like planning to open for first year students?
They will inform you, sir. Maybe for examination, they may call you, I think so. Final exam.
So which month? Which month?
Don't know. Their administration, we can't tell you anything.
Okay,
Their
sir.
decision. If they come, is asked to come, you can come. We can enjoy here. Otherwise, you can virtually we enjoy. Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.